Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound and touch and go to the ringtone. So you can select one of these three basic ringtones like Mi Remix, Mi Jazz or Mi Electronic, which is like my favorite Xiaomi ringtone of all time. Or you can just go to more if you're not satisfied with Mi Electronic and select any other from these system ringtones like acoustic guitar, Candy, Celesta, like I don't know, Childhood, and some other like absolutely basic ringtones, or you can just set up this absolute banger Mi Electronic. Fire, just fire. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.